Welcome back to our service guide for the Nayati Gas Tilting Pan. In this video, we will address a common cause for a weak or non-existent pilot flame, a clogged pilot nozzle. We will demonstrate the correct procedure to access, clean, and reinstall it. From the rear of the unit, you can clearly see the pilot burner assembly. This includes the thermocouple, the igniter cable, and the pilot gas line. If you are experiencing a very small pilot flame, or if it fails to light even with good gas pressure, the problem is most likely a blockage inside the small pilot nozzle. Step 1. Remove the gas line. Using a 10 or 11 millimeter wrench, carefully loosen and disconnect the pilot gas line fitting to access the nozzle. Step 2. Clean the nozzle. This is the pilot nozzle. Using a very small, specialized wire, carefully clean out the tiny orifice in the center to remove any carbon or debris. If the blockage cannot be cleared, the nozzle must be replaced with a new part. Step 3. Reinstall the nozzle. Once cleaned, carefully place the nozzle back into its housing and securely retighten the gas line fitting. Critical warning: you must ensure the nozzle is seated correctly and the fitting is properly tightened. If the nozzle is not installed properly, it will create a poor seal. This will result in a large, inefficient, and yellow pilot flame, like the one you see here, which is incorrect and unsafe.
Now, let's verify the repair. As you can see, with the nozzle correctly installed, the pilot flame is strong, stable, and blue. The tip of the flame is now properly engulfing the end of the thermocouple, ensuring the safety system will work correctly. All components are now in their normal, optimal position.